Hey guys, welcome back to the Notes Trend video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss how can you turn off screen time without password. So simply, guys, we can do it very easily. So first of all, guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you will make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this, guys, here's the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect that. Then you may scroll it down, and here is the option of General. So you may click here and click on Software Update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Then, guys, you may go back and you may scroll it down and you may select screen time from here. Then you may check, guys, here is the option of screen time privacy and restrictions. So click here and you may turn this off, but this may require passcode. So now what you have to do, you have, guys, go back and click here on change screen time passcode, and here are two options: change or turn off permanently. So you may select anyone from here. So if you want to turn off, then you may click here, and here is the option of forget passcode. So you may click here, and here, guys, you may just put your Apple ID, and after this you may reset password of your screen time, or you may turn off permanently through your Apple ID password. But if you don't know the password of your Apple ID, then, guys, you may go back and you may open your Apple account. So click here on your Apple account, and here is the option of sign in and security. So you may click here and you may change the password of your Apple ID or Apple account by putting your face ID. So simply, guys, you may change the password, and then, guys, you may put this password in dead screen time, and you may check your problem will be fixed, and now you can easily remove your screen time without password or passcode. So by all these methods you can fix it very easily. So this is the video, guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.